Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my big daughter Chrissy. We are going to look at a property that we have in Portmore. It is under construction, but we are looking to do Airbnb there. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, right? Own kitchen and living, and it's on the upstairs. So it's in Hellshire, close to the beach, close to lots of food places, close to lots of night entertainment as well.
And a joking, quick don't run them on for sporting. The part of the face not a walking. Nah, in a million a joking. River than climb down with notice. We can't spin down in the force. We have a win for the Glock, then we have this. Me a walk on your place like Baptist. My dog,
So guys, the property is in Edging, Hellshire. So this is the first roundabout in Hellshire. So when you approach the first roundabout, you will continue straight to go to Hellshire Beach, but we're going halfway around the roundabout and we're making a right up the hill, up to Edge Hill. So follow us guys. So we're literally about a minute away from the roundabout. Am I connected out, Chrissy?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So this is beautiful Hellshire. This is Edging. Actually, on the right hand side is Johnson Hill, but on the left hand side is Edge Hill. And our property is on the left hand side, so we're on Edge Hill side. So it's lots of beautiful homes here. Most persons here bought the lots and then they build on it. That's what we did. We bought this lot about when I was pregnant with Chrissy, and she's now almost 19. So call it 20 years ago. Wow, that's a long time. Like I said, it's under construction. So it's a double carport. And the Airbnb section, or I might the full-time rental is from upstairs. So let's go check it out. Hi guys, so this is a property in Hellshire. So this is the living area. That's my daughter. As I said before, it's under construction, so you'll see lots of paints, boards, pans, pots, everything, because it's under construction. This is a living area, but we're storing some furniture inside here, including a dresser, a bed, smart TV, standing fans, and so on. So while we look around the living room, the living area, so it's all coming together. That's for the king size bed. It's French windows, bay windows, so it's light and bright and airy. And as I said before, you have your views. So that's it on the outside, the veranda area. I'm gonna walk around some more. Here is like a passage area. Can you please turn on the lights, Chrissy? Thank you. Here is a passage area where you can have like a dining table. A nice chandelier is gonna be hanging from up there. So it's high ceilings that I love. I love the high ceilings. This is what would have been my bedroom, but you get a chance, you get the opportunity to stay in my bedroom. So it's still under construction like everywhere else. Lights, Chrissy, please. Thank you. This is a view from the bedroom window. This is the bedroom window. This is it from the bedroom. Big windows. I'm going to give you a little peek of the bathroom. So each bedroom has an ensuite bathroom and a closet. There's a closet area. Little closet area right here. And then the bathroom over here with standing shower. Yep, still under construction. Just did some tiling in here. Put up the face basins and the cupboards, etc. And we have a standing mirror. We have a standing mirror, right? And we're gonna go to what would be Chris's bedroom, or would have been Chris's bedroom. Chrissy, can you please turn on the lights? Thank you, ma'am. Turn on the lights in Jenna's bedroom as well. So it has, what you call these lights again, Chrissy? Yeah, we have these kind of lights, right? I don't know what they're called. And out there is the drying area, laundry area, and washroom. Oh, we have a mirror behind the door, so you can look at your cute self. Damn, this is lovely. There's a mirror behind the door. There is an ensuite bathroom as well, and closet area. Still under construction. This is a closet. This is a closet. Why is it foggy? Okay. This is the bathroom for the second bedroom. As I said, it's a 3-bedroom, so I'm taking you through one by one. Second bedroom, wash area, still under construction. We just did some tiling in here as well, and it has a shower enclosure. It's standing shower with shower enclosures, so you won't need to use any shower curtains. I'm gonna go to the third bedroom, which should have been Jenna's bedroom and bathroom. So this is what should have been Jenna's bedroom. Under construction, so we're fixing it up. It's gonna be for an Airbnb or for full-time rental, right? This is a closet area for this bedroom, and this is the bathroom for the third bedroom. As I said before, each bedroom has their own ensuite bathroom. It also has standing shower, and there's a space for a jacuzzi right over there. A jacuzzi is going to be placed over there. So this bathroom will have a jacuzzi. So take a look, guys. You decide, tell me in the comments whether you think I should use it as a 3-bedroom Airbnb from Portmore or for full-time rental. So if there's anyone looking for a full-time rental in Portmore, you can hit me up in the comments. Let us talk. Also, for persons overseas who might be interested in Airbnb, right? And you know, that's what I do in Kingston, Airbnb, but in Portmore, the full-time rental. But I'm kind of leaning towards Airbnb here. Okay, so this is the kitchen. It's big and it's spacious. It's still under construction. We just did some tiling. Of course, you know, every now and then Jamaican workman have to run a boat, so we have stove up here. Not every now and then, like every day Jamaican workmen cook, right? So this is it for the kitchen. It's big, it's spacious. You can do lots of cooking here. And maybe Chrissy will be in here. Wow, she's so pretty.
That's a dirty wife in the kitchen.
She says you get a built-in wife in the kitchen, but she don't reach wife age yet still. She's only 18. She's just joking, guys. Right? So here it is. This is the kitchen. The wash area, laundry area. I don't want to go outside because I don't want to pull the back door, but this would take you to the laundry area. There is also a landing, a step from the laundry area. So you can enter from the back and up the steps into the laundry room, to the kitchen and in your house, or you can use the stairs out front. The stairs runs from the garage. As I said, it was 2 garages. Well, not garage because you can't have a shutter in it, right? But what it is a set of steps coming up. This is it. So this set of steps takes you from the driveway, right? So when you park, you just come on up, and then this will be your future Airbnb or your future 3-bedroom home. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Also, leave a comment and tell me if you think I should go ahead with this property for a 3-bedroom Airbnb rental in Portmore, in Hellshire, Portmore, or if you think I should go with it for full-time rental. I'm leaning towards the Airbnb because the one in Kingston has been successful, so I'm leaning towards doing Airbnb. But at the same time, I'm not going to leave out regular tenants because I've been a landlord, I'd say, for about 20 years, right? So I really started property and investments and landlord and housing thing 20 years ago. So that was what motivated me to invest in Airbnb. So I'm not going to leave out the persons who are looking full-time rentals. Okay, guys, so bye for now. Stay tuned. I will be doing another video when it's completed and furnished. I'll be giving you a full tour. Also, I will be giving you a tour of downstairs as well, because downstairs may very well be up for rental or for Airbnb as well, depending on what my family decides to do. So thank you guys for tuning in. Bye-bye. Love you all. It's a model coming down the stairs. The Victoria's Secret model. Pose for the camera now. Walk like you're on the runway. Auntie Donna, we're giving away one of your cat food. We found a cat in Hellshire. You know, my children, them love cat. Give him it all he can, that's fine. He's not gonna cut himself. We found a cat. Jenna bought some cat foods for Auntie Donna.
Wait, step back.
Wait. Come for it.
Hi.
Good cat. Oh, that's so sweet.
No, come back.
Come, shh.
Somebody that comes.
Come, kitty,
Step
come.
back.